I get hungry, trying to disagree. I'm fading out all my rhymes and rhymes. Can you just speak out your mind?